A mantis can strike and return its arm in 50 milliseconds, faster than a blink. Their triangular head rotates 180 degrees, the only insect with this ability. Mantis eyes contain foveas that move independently, targeting with sniper precision. Mantises camouflage as flowers, bark, and leaves, indistinguishable from their surroundings. Mantises ambush prey larger than themselves, including hummingbirds and small lizards. They are the only insect proven to hunt at night using stereo vision in darkness. A female mantis consumes the male during mating, fueling egg production directly. Each egg case holds up to 400 eggs, hatching in synchronized explosive emergence. Pesticides, habitat fragmentation, and light pollution are collapsing mantis populations. Mantises control grasshopper and locust populations, protecting global crop yields. Their strike mechanics are being studied to build the world's fastest robotic arms. Remove mantises and insect pest populations explode, cascading through food chains.